Magmamakdo na ba kami? Because we can see Macdo from here.
Dito na kami, papunta kila Dan, kila Kathleen, kila Patrick.
Burning 100 calories. Tapos, kakain ka ng 1,000 calories.